Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's update, we're looking at the latest Solana price movement using Elliott wave analysis to see what could be next. Right now, Solana is still in a downtrend and trading below a key descending trend line. A break above this line could be the first bullish signal. But with steep trend lines, we need a clear and decisive breakout to trust any upward move. Currently, SOL is holding in a Fibonacci support zone between $102 and $131. This aligns with the expected C-wave target in a larger ABC correction. If the price bounces from here and gains strength, we could start tracking a recovery wave to the upside. So far, we haven't seen a solid 5-wave rally yet, just a 3-wave bounce, which suggests this could still be part of a B-wave. But if Solana breaks above the $130.50 resistance with strong momentum, it may confirm a local low. If that happens, the next target to watch is around $140. That would be the next resistance area in a potential rally, and hitting it would support the idea that a reversal is forming. If Solana falls below $112.50 instead, we'll likely see another move down, possibly toward $102. As always, Solana is moving in sync with Bitcoin, so broader market trends will also play a role in what comes next. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more updates on Solana and the entire crypto market.